Hello guys, welcome back to True Brand. I'm Brandon, RV Flipper, and this is a special episode. It's really special because this is my 10th unit. My 10th unit that I've done in the span of, since I started in November 2020. So it's a milestone hit. This is a 2006 StarCraft, and it is my first hybrid that I've ever worked on. So it was pretty quick. We got this one turned around in like 2 weeks. So let's just get right into it, show you what's up. Start with the outside. Guys, it's gonna be real quick. I thank you guys for definitely sticking around through all my renovations. I hope you guys like what I've been doing. Please like and subscribe if you really value the channel. I'm gonna have more of an in-depth look on how I actually put this actual hybrid together, as far as like everything I've done, the floors, everything, the paint, just to give you guys more of a feel of how to do this stuff step by step. Or you can get over to RV Investing Masters, my master class that I do have out to give you guys my step-by-step program to show you how I actually fix and flip these RVs and sell them. So guys, thank you. This has been the shortest one I've ever done, so it was pretty quick, and we do have another one already sitting, waiting to get done, so we're gonna pull that one right in and put this one up for sale. So all right guys, peace.